Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from your Coinbase account to your crypto.com account. So the first thing we need to do is open up our crypto.com app and click on transfer. And we want to select deposit, select crypto. Now here you want to choose what crypto you want to receive to your crypto.com account. You can choose any crypto here that you want. You could choose Bitcoin, but I'm going to choose Ethereum here. And then all you want to do is go down to the wallet address code here and click on the copy button. And now we need to open up our Coinbase app. And once we have this open, let's go ahead and click on the blue button at the bottom here. And we want to click on send. Now here we need to select the crypto that we wanted to send, which in this case was Ethereum, but it could be whatever you want. And now here we can select how much Ethereum we want to send. So once you go ahead and select an amount you want to send, all you have to do is click on continue. It might ask you to verify yourself before you can complete the transaction. But once you do that, you should be able to send your Ethereum to your crypto.com account. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.